now that we all know what contains the box, we are going to learn the steps on dealing with this 24-port patch panel. First thing that we will do is to get the Cat6 cable and put the EC-Wing label marker to the cable. Get the cable stripper and strip the jacket of the cable about 2 inches in long. Take the jacket out. Cut the inner plastic. Take the termination manager. As you can see, there's a T mark. This T mark should be upside. So there's a left hole and there's a right hole. Analyze the color coding of the patch panel. In the color coding, white, orange, and green is in the right side of the patch panel. The blue pair and the brown pair is in the left. So what you are going to do, you will put the orange and the green wires in the right hole of the T manager. The blue pair and the brown pair wires would be placed in the left termination manager. Green and orange will be in the right. Blue and brown will be the left. After pulling the wires, check again the patch panel. Check again the patch panel. So as you can see, green and brown will be up, blue and orange will be down. So T is up, so green will be up, green, brown will be up, orange will go down, and blue will go down. So it will be like this. Be sure that you pinch down the wires so it will fit to the patch panel. Before inserting the T manager, you have to fold it. So you will see where to fit the T manager into the patch panel. So it's going to be like this. After putting the T manager, you will put the wires on their designated color coding. Just untwist the wires. Green and white. Brown and white brown. Orange and white orange. Now when we are finished putting the wires in their designated codes, we will be using a punching tool. Just to blade, so we'll put it on the top of the patch panel. It will be like this, and just push it with your hand. As you can see, the excess wires are being cut. The next hook, we'll be placing the rear cable manager at the back of the patch panel. After attaching the rear cable manager, get the cable tie. Put the cable tie, every single cable. Just be sure that the cable marker in the middle of the cable rod and the patch panel. So, just cut this one. It's all done.